Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So adding text like captions, hooks, titles is essential for engagement, especially for shorts, ads, and social media videos. So while OpenArt creates visuals, text is added during the editing phase. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to put text over a video created with OpenArt in 2026. So first thing, export your OpenArt video. So generate your video in OpenArt. After you finish, download the final clip. This is your base video. Okay, so import into a video editor now. So you can use CapCut, okay, Adobe Premiere Pro. Imports your video, so now you can edit and add text. So add text layer, like use text tool in your editor, like types of text like hook, subtitles, highlights. So text guides attention. Style your text, like adjust font size, color, okay, add shadow, background box, make it readable. Okay, sync text with video, so match text timing with voice actions, like for example word appears when spoken. Timing in this case means professionalism. Okay, so use animations too, like add motion, fade in, pop, slide, keeps viewers engaged. Okay, highlight keywords too, so change color or size for important words, emotions, calls to actions. Okay, this draws attention. You can keep it mobile friendly, like ensure text is big, positioned in center or safe area, easy to read quickly, because most users watch on phones. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.